why 0 0 factorial which is equal to 1. 0 factorial which is equal to 1, and also 1 factorial which is equal to also 1. Before that, the definition of factorial is what? Factorial of a number denoted by what? N. Factorial is denoted by, represented by this symbol. It is what? The product of all positive integers. Or the product of positive integers. That is what? Less than or equal to n. Less than or equal to n. Which means n factorial, which is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times blah 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 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. For today, we have to discuss what is the reason of 0 factorial which is equal to 1. Then n factorial, from the definition, n factorial which is equal to n times n minus 1 factorial. N times n minus 1 factorial. From this, n factorial over n which is equal to n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial. That is n minus 1 factorial which is equal to n over n factorial over n. n minus 1 is less than n, yeah? n minus 1 ከn ያንሳል. Divided by that number n. So by counter example, 5 factorial which is equal to 6 factorial over 6. Doesn't not take 6 factorial over 6. Okay. Which means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 እያለ ይቀጥላል። እኛ እዚህ ጋር እናደርጋትና over 6. 6 by 6 cancel out. Therefore, 5 factorial which is equal to 5 factorial. 5 factorial which is equal to 5 factorial. Okay. Then 2 factorial means that 3 factorial over 3. Because of 3 factorial means that 3 times 2 factorial over 3. 3 by 3 cancel. 2 factorial which is equal to 2 factorial. Now 0 factorial means that 2 ካል 3 የምንል ከሆነ 5 ስንል 6 የምንል ከሆነ 0 ስንል 1 factorial. Because of 5 means 5 factorial means 6 factorial over 6. 2 factorial means that 3 factorial over 3. Therefore, 0 factorial which is equal to 1 factorial over 1. 1 factorial is 1. Because of, from the definition, positive integer. Positive integer ብለን define አድርገናል. The product of all positive integer less than or equal to n. Now 1 times 0 አንልም ማለት 1 over the denominator is 1 which is equal to 1. By transitivity, 0 factorial which is equal to 1. The same to that, 1 factorial is 1 because of 1 factorial which is equal to 1 factorial ካል አንድ ስንጨምር እዚህ ጋር 2 ፋክቶሪያል ካል 3 ፋክቶሪያል ኦቨር 3 5 ፋክቶሪያል ካል 6 ኦቨር 6 ካል 1 ፋክቶሪያል means that 2 factorial over 2, which means 2 times 1 factorial or 1 over 2. 2 by 2 cancel out. By transitivity, 1 factorial which is equal to 1. It's good. My name is Muhammad from Mami Maths YouTube. For today, it's enough. Thank you very much.